Our first performer is a new poet on the block, and this is her first time sharing her poetry with others. MLK encouraged her to have an open mind, and she's here to do the same thing with you all. Now please give a warm welcome for my best friend, Janei Tamba.
Hi, my name is Janei Tamba, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a piece I wrote about why Martin Luther King inspired me to do what I do. So, Martin speaks, I write. My poetry is not for those who are not ready to open their minds, nor for those who are not willing to learn. My words are for people whose minds are like oceans with vast varieties of opinion and values. My words are for those who are ready to disturb their oasis of what they know and make room for change. Because my words, to me, are like my heartbeat. I pull pieces out of my soul and put them on paper to present to the world. Martin speaks, I write, because if I didn't write, I would be silent. Writing to me is easier than speaking. The words flow from my pen like nothing in the world can stop them. I have no fear of saying the wrong thing because the pen and the paper won't judge me. I don't get tongue-tied. I don't stutter. Having the power to write gives me the freedom to express what I feel. It lets me write down what I don't have the power to say. Martin speaks, I write. Thank you.